Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video I will be rebuilding my Xtreme Typhoon 125cc ATV. So first I'm gonna take off the plastics, then I'm gonna wash this bad boy down, then I'm gonna repaint it. Stay tuned. So first things first, I gotta spray it down with some water. Here you're gonna see me grab the keys and put them on the windshield of the car. Later on, I drove to the store and lost the keys, but don't worry about it, I took the ignition off anyway. Here I am with the engine degreaser, just trying to get off all that grease and dirt, that way I could have a nice clean surface to paint it later. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's all clean. I'm going to take it to the backyard and start taking it apart. Okay, so I got it apart and it's ready to paint. The paint that I'm using is Rust-Oleum Professional Spray Paint, and the color that I chose is Cherry Red. And let me tell you what, it sure is red. Although I'm going to paint the swing arm later, I figured I might as well cover it up. So I grabbed the tarp, got everything covered up, that way I could continue to paint. So here it is after it's all dried up. I painted the front bumper white and threw it on there. Just wanted to see what it looked like. Now I'm going to paint the swing arms. I got them hung up in the shed. It was pretty windy. Gotta paint the steering arm and the gooseneck white, that way it can match the A-arms. I threw it all together just to see what it would look like. I'm going to take it all back apart, paint the rear swing arm, get the engine on there, then I'll tighten everything on. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to come back to see part 2.